If you want to know how to play PUBG Mobile with a controller like this, then this is the video for you. In this case, we are using the new DATAFROG S13 controller. I'm going to show you how to set it up or how to set up any other controller to play any game that you like. Let's get into it. Welcome to Review Chains. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is go to your app store and download the Mantis Gamepad Pro app. And as soon as you start the application, you are going to see tap to start Mantis Buddy. You can see that my gamepad is already connected, just connecting it via Bluetooth, which is very straightforward. Now we're going to tap to start Mantis Buddy. And as we tap, we see there are a couple steps we need to follow. And we need to enable a couple things. Some things will be already enabled, some things you will have to enable yourself. In my case, I have to enable USB debugging. Let's enable it. It takes me automatically to my developers options. Developers options are very easy to enable it. If you don't know how, just Google it. We enable USB debugging. Once we've enabled USB debugging, when we press back, we get back to the screen. We can see allow overlays over settings is already done. Turn on disable permission monitoring is also already done in my case. If it's not checked in your case, it will open the screen and take you there to allow it or enable it. And in my case, I need to enable wireless debugging. So now I'm going to enable wireless debugging. Press enable. It takes me back to my developers options. And here we can see wireless debugging and I will enable it. Allow. Now I have to go back. And now it says pair device. So we need to pair our device via wireless debugging. And we need to press here to start pairing it. And now we can see there's a widget. Just put it where it doesn't bother you. And go to wireless debugging. And now you can press debug mode. When you press wireless debugging on debug mode, you find the menu and it says pair device with pairing code. We're gonna press that and now we get a pairing code. It's a 6-digit code which we need to put in here. 264318 and now we press pair. Okay, now we get the message wireless debugging is connected, Mantis Buddy is connected and we can close the widget. Close it like this and now we go back. Back again, and now you can see Mantis Buddy is connected and our gamepad is also already connected. So in this case we chose the DATAFROG S13. It's a new controller from DATAFROG. It's a very nice controller, gives you all the attention you need when you play online and you are streaming your gameplay. And the big advantage while playing PUBG Mobile is that whenever you use the LT or RT buttons, they react very fast, so you can aim and shoot very fast whenever you like to. Yeah, if you like this controller, by the way, for you, we have a link in the description. You get some reduction and you can order the controller from there. Since everything is ready, we need to add our game. You can see Genshin Impact and PUBG Mobile is already there in my case, but you will have to press on add and then you will have to scroll between your apps. Choose PUBG Mobile and press the plus button. Okay, once you have done that, you need to open the PUBG Mobile app by pressing it. As soon as you start the game, go to the training grounds to set up your controls and map all your buttons of this DATAFROG S13 controller. Here on the left on your screen, you can see a green button. When you press it, you get all the different button layouts like D-pad, L-stick, R-stick, or key. When you press key, I'm going to press the key, and press the up button, for example, like this, it will appear on your screen and then you can move it around and put it wherever you want. For example, here for shooting, which I won't do because I have another button mapped. And just like this, you can map all your buttons to all the places that you like. And you can even map different layouts and save them separately. And once you've done that, you can use your controller to play PUBG Mobile just like this. Look, very easy. And enjoy the game and have a little advantage if you're not playing with professional or pro players online. So as you can see, guys, it's very easy to set up this controller to play PUBG Mobile on your smartphone. I'm using the DATAFROG S13. It works perfectly for me. If you like to use another controller, it's perfectly possible with the Mantis Gamepad Pro app. If you have any questions, write it down in the comments. And if you want a controller like this, I have a link with some reductions for you. It's written down below in the description. Thank you very much. This was Review Chains, and see you in the next one.